Visit Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. I am super excited about today's video. Today I am going to be sharing this big box of happiness with you, and I am so excited to be partnering with FABFITFUN on this video. I am going to share with you all of the goodies that I have received in my spring 2021 box. So before we get into the items that I received in my box, let me tell you really briefly what FABFITFUN is, just in case you're not familiar with it. So FABFITFUN is a seasonal subscription box service, so you can sign up to receive it 4 times a year. And what I do love about these boxes is that you can customize many of the items that you receive, and they are full-size products. So when I show you these items, I'm going to specify which ones I did customize and hand select myself, which I think is a major benefit of this box. So now let's get into the box itself and everything that comes with this box. So I don't know when you're going to be watching this video, but let me tell you, when I'm filming this video right now, the weather outside is frightful. It is horrible outside. There are storms everywhere. Here in Georgia, it has been raining all day, every day. It has been a mess outside. And when I got this box and walked up to it in my living room when my husband brought it in, and I was able to take it out, and it was so pretty and so springy. I'm telling you, it was everything that I needed for my mental health. So that is another perk, I would say, of these boxes, is it just feels like Christmas just showed up at your door, but you didn't have to spend Christmas money. You know what I'm saying? So that is a great perk of this box, because when I got it, I just remembered all of a sudden that the flowers were coming and that the birds were going to be chirping soon enough. First item I got in my box, I definitely hand-picked for me, and that is these $1 billion makeup brushes. So the reason I got these brushes, just to give you a little backstory, is because you guys may or may not know, I just absolutely refuse to pay full retail price for makeup brushes. I don't wear makeup a lot, so I just can't do it the way that my frugality is set up. So any makeup brushes that I get, I tend to get them on clearance from like CVS or Walgreens, and the quality is not always there. So when I opened up these makeup brushes and I took them out of the box and I felt them, I truly realized what I had been missing my whole life. It was the details for me. It was how heavy these brushes are. Y'all, these are some good makeup brushes. So I was super excited. I see why they called them $1 billion, because they felt like money. I heard Cardi B playing in the background when I opened up this box. So I was super excited about these brushes. We was off to a good start with these. Next item up is another item that I definitely hand selected, and that is this Pure Illuminating Body Oil. This is a dry oil. It's called Iconic Glow. And I was already like, okay, when I saw the packaging. Do y'all like pretty packaging? Because I'm all about packaging. But then I was super sold when I actually saw the product itself. Y'all, the oil itself is so freaking pretty. I cannot wait till outside really opens back up and we can actually go places where I can use this oil. Y'all, this was so pretty. I had to dab a little bit on my hands just so I could get a feel for the oil. And it's not greasy. It's definitely a dry oil. It truly just like illuminates your skin and adds a nice shimmer. It's going to be perfect for like date night when we can really go outside again. So this next item is another item that I picked that I was super excited when I saw as an option for this box. And that is the Time to Clear Refreshing Cleansing Gel by Ahava. So I go to a spa when I have like my birthday and special occasions. I go to a spa that actually uses these Ahava products. So I knew already that I love them just from going to the spa. But every time I go to the spa, they always try to upsell me on these products, but they be taxing for them. So I always say no, and I always leave them there. So I was super excited to get to have this at home. I actually used this today when I saw that it was in my box because I forgot that I had ordered it. And when I tell you, for me, it's not even about the process of washing your face with it. It's not about that because it foams up like a regular gel cleanser. It's the after. This cleanser is so refreshing. You feel like you went to the spa, but you're at home. It just makes your face feel cool and open. Y'all, it is such a vibe. Now let me show you a couple FabFitFun curated items that were in my box. So the first item I want to show you is the Suns Out Pouts Out gold foil lip mask. So I feel like I don't even have to wait till spring to use these. I feel like all of our lips right now, the way this winter has been set up, could use a little love. So I'm excited to try these out. And the next item up is the Each Jewel hair clip. So I feel like you can never have too many hair clips. These are really cute though. They are perfect for spring. And I also got these. This is another FabFitFun curated item, and that is the Say Reusable Beauty Round. So these feel so nice. They are nice and fluffy. But what these are for are taking off your makeup. So instead of using like the makeup wipes that you have to keep buying, you can use these. They'll be reusable. You can just wash them and use them again. The item that I custom picked was these Seagrass Coasters. I really feel like you cannot have too many coasters, and I was excited about these coasters because they're unique. They are woven and they match the aesthetic of so many different rooms in my house. So this next item, when I saw it, I knew I had to have it because I love to travel and I always need a good duffel bag. So I was able to pick this Alice and Olivia duffel bag, you guys, and I am super excited about it. Not only because it's the perfect size for like a weekend trip, or if you just need a carry-on, something that's going to fit up under a seat, but I love the quality of it. So it has the hand straps so you can carry it by hand, but it also has the long straps as well, and the details, y'all, the craftsmanship, everything, including like the zipper, is just so cute and just so well made. So I was super happy with this item. This bag is definitely going to be well used and well loved. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing all of the items that I received in my spring box. Overall, I am really happy with this box, and I truly think that it is a really good deal and a really tremendous value for your money. The reason being is because when you think about items like the duffel bag that I just got, or those $1 billion brushes, just the retail cost of those alone far exceeds the cost of one of these boxes. And if you're ordering this box for the first time, I also have a $10 discount code. You can use *10 and you can save an additional $10 on one of these boxes. So all the way around, this is just a really good deal. Let me know down below what you plan on putting in your spring box, or what was your favorite item out of mine. I thank you all so much for watching today's video. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and check the description box for all of the details that you need. As always, I will talk to you all soon. Bye, you guys.